Hey guys, welcome back to Covers a Multitude. Today's video is going to show you how to apply egg cups. Egg cups are supportive and reusable adhesive bras that work perfectly under dresses, leotards or tops that have a deep V, a low back, or just have an unusual neckline. Before applying the egg cup, it's really important to remember that they will need to be applied to clean and dry skin. Day or so old fake tan is okay, but if you've recently applied moisturizer or body highlighter, it's just going to affect the adhesive and it's not going to stick to your skin for the duration of time that you need it to. So when you receive your product, it's going to look something like this. It's got Covers a Multitude on the back and an indicator for the size that you purchased. Before applying the egg cup, you need to be conscious of the neckline of the outfit that you're planning to wear, because when you apply this, you want to make sure that it's going to stay hidden. To do this, wear your outfit without a bra and keep the egg cups on their backing. Hold one egg cup to your body, but under your outfit to gauge where it needs to be placed. To apply the bra, you need to slowly remove only the bottom section of the backing. I cannot emphasize enough how slow you need to be when removing the backing to ensure the bra and adhesive does not ping back and catch itself. So take your time. To begin applying it, lift your breast and apply the lower section of the egg cup that doesn't have its backing on it to the lower half of your breast. Exactly where you place it on your breast is up to you, but we recommend applying it just above the crease so it's placed on your breast and not on your upper midriff or stomach. When the lower section is applied to your breast, press and rub on the bra to maximize adhesion. Once you feel that the lower section is secure and stuck to your boob, slowly, and again I mean slowly, remove the section of the backing from the egg cup. Once the backing is completely removed, use both of your hands to lift, stretch, and place the egg cup on the upper part of your breast and shoulder where it will be hidden under your outfit. Now that the bra is applied, rub the entire egg cup so that it sticks to your skin to ensure the adhesive is set to last all day or night. I've applied both egg cups and this is what it looks like under my top. When it comes to the end of the day or night and you're ready to remove your egg cups, always remember to start from top to bottom and remove one egg cup at a time. Start by slowly removing the top half of the bra from your skin, leaving the bottom section still stuck to your breast. Replace the shiny side of the top section of the egg cup backing to the bra. Only once the top section has been returned to its backing should you repeat the same process with the bottom section of the egg cup. Now, if you plan to wear an outfit like this with a particularly unusual neckline and need to trim egg cups to suit it, we recommend trimming the bra before applying. To do this, wear your outfit without a bra and keep the egg cups on their backing. Hold the egg cups to your body but under your outfit to gauge where it needs to be trimmed. You can even use a pencil or tailor's chalk if you have some, to draw where you need to cut. We suggest trimming in small sections because you can always go back and trim more, but you do not want to take off too much of the egg cup unnecessarily and repeat the same process of applying. Now, if you're prone to heavy sweating or have heavy breasts and you're unsure whether these cups are going to support you or last as you begin to sweat, we would recommend that you purchase titty tape for extra security and support. This comes in handy because you can cut strips of titty tape and apply them to the outskirts of the egg cup and to your skin to provide extra support to your breasts as well as durability when you sweat. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Covers a Multitude support team. We really hope this video helped. Bye guys!